An important skill when dealing with fractions, and you will see lots of fractions, is finding the lowest common multiple when adding or subtracting fractions with different denominators, like you see here. For example, we've got a fraction with a denominator of 3, one with 2, and somehow those combine to get a fraction with a denominator of 6. And we'll get to fractions later, but knowing how to find common multiples is essential. Luckily, it's pretty easy. A multiple of a number is simply the product of that number and another number. For example, the multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, so on and so forth. Because 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 3 is 18, 6 times 4 is 24. Same with 5. The multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, because 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10. You get the pattern. To find the lowest common multiple, you simply list out the multiples until you find the smallest, the lowest number the two lists have in common. Here, the lowest common multiple is 30. It's the lowest number, the smallest number that shows up on both lists. Now, your list may contain other common multiples. For example, in this case, we see 60 also shows up on both lists. The problem is it's not the least, the lowest, the smallest common multiple. That title still goes to 30. Now I want you to try. Here we've got three numbers, 8, 10, and 20. The process is the same no matter how many numbers you have. So why don't you try this problem on your own? Pause the video and find the least common multiple for these three numbers. Then restart the video and check your answer. Okay, welcome back. Hopefully your list looks something like this. You've listed out all the multiples for each number up to a reasonable amount, and you should notice, of course, that 40 is the lowest common multiple.